KK, go on that side and talk, bro.
Hello everyone.
You think it's
It's a good shot.
a lot of noise?
Done? So hi everyone, we have Chef Vicky Ratnani here and I just tried the most brilliant food here.
One second. Too many flies.
Is the fly coming?
Fly चार है, एक नहीं है.
I'm very nervous because of his energy.
2,000 years.
Hi everyone, we are at Omny Kitchen and I'm with the special chef Vicky Ratnani. Of course, we just had our fabulous prawns and just dishes that he cooks. And let us know more about Omny Kitchen from him.
So the omni comes from the word omnipresent and omnivore. That means it's from different places happening at the same time. And it's for everyone. So the idea came to me that why don't I create something which is not just a chef-driven, snobbish restaurant. I wanted to create something just mein apnapan ho. I wanted to that you are on one table, whether it's your little daughter or your mother-in-law or somebody from a different country. The menu is suited for everyone. I don't want to call it multi-cuisine. It is cuisines from different parts of the world. But how I term it, it's a global brasserie. That means it is a little more formalish compared to a cafe. But the thinking is very global and non-pretentious. We want everyone to be comfortable, the warmth. So that's why by the day it's beautiful, even by the night it becomes sexy. The food matches everyone. We are not too overpriced at all. And definitely I would recommend everyone to come to Omny if they haven't.
The kind of history you have, and did you just feel that, okay, you know, I was just born for this?
Well, nobody, I don't think that can happen to anyone. You can't be born for anything. You have to pick wisely and work towards it. There's a lot of input which leads to output. So you can be born, that is the thought. But at the end of the day, it's when you grow up and realize that do you have the skills, do you have the intent, do you want to do it shiddat se for the rest of your heart and never get bored about it. So these are the decisions which one must take when they choose any kind of profession.
Yeah, that's true. That's a very generic thing. But what about your history, like a personal history of yours, where you decided that, okay, I want to be what I am today?
I got into the kitchen from the second year of my college. I kind of figured out that yes, I want to be a chef. So there is a calling time which comes. And I used to be a lousy cook. I had no interest in cooking, but I had all my interest in eating. I used to eat from everybody's tiffins. My granddad used to take me out a lot to explore street food. So right from the time my mom tells me that when you used to go out with your grandfather and the grandfather used to say that he tried this today, he tried that today, he tried that. And I was like 6 or 7 years old. So I think the palate developed for good food and good taste. I was never ever cranky about ye nahi khaunga, wo nahi khaunga. I would eat everything, and including vegetables. So which is a big thing for a kid.
Yeah.
So I think the love for food got me into college, but coming from a business family, coming from a different background, dhanda hi sambhalna tha at that point. Then when I got into college, I began to realize that if you want to come out with something which is fruitful, you need to catch a skill in life. So wahi hua, and that's how there's no looking back now.
In our times, I think nowadays the kids are like very focused from the when
Absolutely.
But our like college mein dekhenge and all that. But yeah, coming back to Omny, what are your favorite 3 dishes?
You know, you're putting me in a spot, but I think there's a. Okay, can I ask you what did you eat today at Omny?
So I love that focaccia bread. That was the toasted bread
With the kambas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, like I've had bread at many places around the world, but something like that personal touch, you know, it just like made me emotional. Like it's very difficult to find some very passion derived food. not rule derived, I think. So yeah. So I felt like that. Like the prawns were so good. The chilies, apparently that the dip, that oil that it had.
Mathania chili.
Yeah, it was fantastic. I loved it.
So I like the Sindhi curry. I like the chipotle roast chicken. I like the trout. Comes fresh from Himachal. I love the millet khichdi. I love all our pizzas. I love all our burgers. So teen to nahi ho sakte.
Anything that you want to tell our audience, like whoever is watching this, like
I think do come to Omni if you live in Delhi. Believe me, it's worth every minute of your cab ride, metro ride, however you're coming. But we will not disappoint you. And trust me, बहुत प्यार की जगह है. बड़ी passion से बना है. We all chefs are very passionate. The team is very young. They all want to get something in life. And being not from Delhi NCR, I'm from Mumbai. But definitely I want to give this beautiful institution as a gift to the city of Gurgaon.
so. That's it for now.
A few moments later.
Just want to ask you one question, like really personally, what is with the Delhi food that it can never compare to Mumbai or Bangalore?
I'll be honest, I don't think that's a very right thing to say. I think there's really good food in Delhi. It's just that a lot of things get repeated. But the originals, I mean, there's no place in India that you can get such good North Indian food
North Indian.
and a variety of other foods as well. But I think when it comes to places like this, I think Gurgaon is one of the coolest places to do a restaurant for any businessman.